Lamborghini Terzo Millennio. All-electric concept car introduced by Italian automobile manufacturer Lamborghini in 2017. The Lamborghini Terzo Millennio, Italian for third millennium, is a futuristic electric concept car introduced by Italian automobile manufacturer Lamborghini and developed in collaboration with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. It is the first product of a 3-year, £100 million partnership among the two institutions. The Terzo Millennio was unveiled in November 2017 at the EmTech conference in Cambridge, Massachusetts, United States. Collaborating with MIT for our R&D department is an exceptional opportunity to do what Lamborghini has always been very good at: rewriting the rules on supersports cars. Now we are presenting an exciting and progressive concept car. We are inspired by embracing what is impossible today to craft the realities of tomorrow. Lamborghini must always create the dreams of the next generation. Chairman Stefano Domenicali, EmTech Conference. The design of the Terzo Millennio is considered part of the Gandini Line, and is the work of Lamborghini chief designer Mitja Borkert and the company's Centro Stile department. The vehicle's technology was developed by Lamborghini's professional engineers and MIT's professors and students, and was unveiled at the EmTech conference in Cambridge, Massachusetts, United States. Lamborghini's chief technical officer, Maurizio Reggiani, stated that the car is more of a thinking box than an actual production car. He also stresses that the car doesn't confirm that the company will not be directly going with vehicles powered by electricity. The Terzo Millennio was also used as a representative for the sports cars of the future. The Terzo Millennio uses high-capacity supercapacitors in lieu of batteries due to their more rapid storage and discharge of energy. These supercapacitors have been made to simultaneously capture and release energy to give the car an increase in performance, without having to depend on chemical reactions. Each wheel, the rims of which glow orange, contains an electric motor, so that the amount of torque can be controlled individually, making the car's stability as good as a modern Formula One car. Because there is a motor on every wheel, the car's layout would be all-wheel drive if it was functional. The Terzo Millennio is reported to have an autonomous system, but only for racetrack driving. This system would make the car run a full lap without any mistakes, then teach the driver how to run the lap on their own, using a ghost car, which is based on video game series such as Forza and Gran Turismo. The car still inherits the modern Lamborghini design, with the Y-shaped design elements such as the headlights and taillights, along with the triangular front trunk and rear engine bay. Carbon fiber is used entirely for the body panels. The body of the car is monitored by a health system. Entry by passengers is via a sliding canopy. Automobili Lamborghini looks to the future with a visionary approach, carrying our core values to extremes. Dictating the requirements of the third millennium, the Terzo Millennio combines energy efficiency and innovative materials to forge a path in the electric supersports car segment, guaranteeing the purest driving experience. Lamborghini Terzo Millennio. Lamborghini Terzomillennio develops through 4 pillars: energy, materials innovation, vehicle architecture and powertrain, sound and emotion. The power source is electricity instead of gasoline. Electrical systems are extremely efficient, allowing kinetic energy to be recovered to generate power. In order to exploit the opportunities offered by electric drivetrains, the battery system must be symmetrical and oriented toward power in order to ensure high levels of performance and the greatest possible level of energy regeneration. Lamborghini aims to develop an innovative supercapacitor that is able to fill the gap, in terms of energy density, with existing batteries. The design objectives include a reduction in weight and an increase in the availability of electrical energy through the use of composite structural materials for storing electricity, such as a rechargeable battery. The goal is to perfect nanomaterial technology, distributing nanocharges into the CFK panels that comprise the vehicle's body and components, which will therefore act as electrical storage devices. Among the advantages of an electrical propulsion system is the possibility to power a system of electrical components through the use of cables. Lamborghini intends to exploit this opportunity to generate torque directly at the wheels. The challenge consists of creating a technology that allows the power density positioned inside the wheels to be increased to the level required by an all-wheel drive supersports car, while simultaneously keeping unsprung mass under control. The adoption of an electric drivetrain demands the creation of a new sonic signature to replace that of the current V12 engine. Thorough investigation is required to assess the advantages deriving from the new powertrain, while leaving behind no opportunity to generate a voice unique to the Terzo Millennio. The visionary design is the fullest expression of a completely new technology, incorporating redesigned aerodynamics, architecture and powertrain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified about our new videos. Check out the next video to get updated on more tech stuffs.